here, Chef Ricardo update and the coconut rice. I got some basmati rice right here in my pot, and I'm gonna show you can do a simple coconut rice at home. Taste, flavor, everything in one. It's gonna lovely. So guys, enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, so please stay tuned. So first thing we're going to do is to wash off my rice. I have roughly, I'm gonna say this will be roughly about 4 cups of rice. I have right here basmati rice, really lovely and nice, and I know you guys love rice. All right, so what I'm going to do now is to wash my rice and show you how I do my coconut rice at home. You can do coconut rice in a rice cooker or in a pot like this. Is it? Yes, you can do it in a rice cooker. All right, all you have to do is less some of the water with the rice cooker and add coconut milk. Basmati rice, we're going to show you how to cook coconut rice with it. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me. Get the latest update. Click on the notification bell, which is very important at home. Nice and lovely. So basically, this is the rice. So roughly about 4 to 5 cups of rice. Alright. Now I'm going to wash off it. I'm going to wash it off properly. And when I wash it off, I'm going to put some water in it to show you the level of the water with the rice. Right, you can use all your finger on the joint. Stay tuned, and this is how we do it in the kitchen when we are cook. Nice and lovely. So right here, this is the rice. So I put a little bit of more water. Make sure you wash the rice good. A lot of people, when they wash the rice, you need to wash off the chemical of the rice properly. So if you notice, you can see the rice, and there's a tiny little bit of water over the rice. Right here I have roughly about 4 ounces of coconut milk right here, and I'm gonna pour it inside of it like this. I'm just gonna rinse out my cup. Nice. So basmati rice is very easy to cook. You don't want to put too much water. Just put a little pinch of salt, that's it. You don't want much salt. That's a pinch. Because salt, you know, too much salt is good for you. Nice. Put a little bit of unsalted butter, you know? Just a little bit to bring up the flavor of it. Little bit of pepper. Yeah. Coconut rice is just plain. You can put seasoning and stuff in it, but coconut rice is plain. So what we want to do, we just want to leave this part to cook for about 25 minutes. Medium size heat. Alright guys, look at that. Coconut rice in the kitchen, Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. Fresh coconut rice at home. Alright, shelly and nice. See that? And that's exactly what you want to see. You want to see a rice shelly and looking nice. You don't want a rice lumpy up like you make dumpling. Alright, so that's why you want the rice to look like this. And that's why when I said to the fans, I'm going to do your lovely coconut rice. This is it. See that? Anyway guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Rice is done. I will see you next time with more recipe like this. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys will love this one. I will see you next time with more recipe again and again. Coconut rice at home from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.